Hey everybody, just so you know, cats are going crazy in the background, so there might be some crazy cat antics. But anyway, today what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to basically identify a rock in a box. We are going to use an igneous rock. As a matter of fact, we are going to use this igneous rock. Okay. This is one Sarah picked up, and I think it's a good one to show a lot of different things in classifying a rock. When I classify this rock, I'm not going to classify it as if it is mafic, which it is. It clearly is mafic. I am going to classify it on the QAPF diagram because I want to show you that process. And this has, the reason why I'm using this and not like a piece of granite or something is because this actually has some pretty good big crystals on it, which you're going to see later. And I kind of want to show you, it makes identifying the felsic light parts easier. So we're going to classify it basically as if we just have like this much of the rock. Okay, like this, okay? But I will also show you mafically what it classifies as well, which is actually pretty easy. It's not that difficult. What tools am I going to use? Well, I'm going to use this. I already did an unboxing on this. What we have here is we have our hardness test items. These to scratch minerals for hardness. I am going to do streak analysis. I have both a white and a black streak plate in here. This has other things in here like glass and brass and steel, which I will not be using because they aren't necessary for what I'm doing in this particular case. For it, just to make sure and confirm, sorry, my rice must be ready. But I'm going to use that. But I'm going to use the most crucial tool I have in my arsenal. Well, two anyway. I will be using my hand lens. This is a 10x hand lens. It says it right there, I believe. Okay. And my 30x with this. And just to be sure I don't have any fluorescing voids like sodalite, I will be hitting it with my UV light, okay? I didn't actually mean to shine that directly in the camera. So those are some of the tools you're going to see me use when we walk through this. And if you find this kind of thing interesting, you probably never identify a rock like this in your life to this detail, but it'll show you the process of how we identify rocks in a box, all right? And I know it's not exciting, it's not sexy or anything like that, but it's key to understanding the lithology and the tectonic history of the rocks in place where it came from. All right. Now, I don't remember where this rock exactly came from. All I can tell you is it came from our Sudbury trip, so probably in Ontario somewhere. But I don't remember exactly where. Like I said, Sarah grabbed it. But this is the rock we are going to analyze. All right. I have not published my Igneous lab book yet, but that will be soon, hopefully. But I can still use it as my primary reference as it is completed, edited, and everything. This is just the proof. It's in black and white. This book will actually be in color. It's not crucial that I have the colored parts. I also have other references. I have these. Where are they? Well, I have this too, which I can refer to if I need to. But I also have these 4 black binders here, which are basically just mineral data sheets all the way through here. Not every mineral imaginable, of course. I don't have all of them. I got tabs and everything. But these are from the Mineral Handbook. There's an online version. They have print versions, but that you can order, but they're literally $100 a piece. I'm not spending that kind of money when I get the information for free. So these will be utilized as well. So I guess that's the backstory before this drones on too long. And now you can watch me actually try to identify this rock.